curl trying to show out. Show out then. Show out, curl. Yes, you. Okay. Hey ladies, welcome back to Oh Darla. I am back with a natural hair tutorial. So if you would like to see how I achieve these popping curls on my short 4C hair, please stay tuned. Alright, so I am a new user to the Shea moisture products, but I do definitely highly recommend them. TGIN I've been using for a while now. Definitely recommend. Okay, so let me say this right now. I used to believe that you shouldn't wash your hair entirely, but now that I've gotten the hang of my hair, I wash my hair from root to tip. Because your hair is dirty. Get in that scalp. Wash, wash, wash. Scratch, scratch, scratch. This is the best part right here. Get in that scalp. Don't be scared. Washing your hair is not detrimental at all. It gets your hair clean, okay? Now, the denim brush isn't a must for me, but I have noticed as my hair has grown, it gets tangled in a lot of areas. So I just typically use it just to detangle, nothing less, nothing more. Now, I attempt to section my hair off, but I'm so lazy when it comes to doing my hair. So after a while, I'm just rubbing everything everywhere. That sectioning gets old. After a while, my arms hurting. I don't got time. So I'm just, you're going to see. You're going to see what I'm about to do, okay? So I was just bringing attention to the fact that I do have two different curl patterns, and to let any other ladies know that it's not odd. It is what it is. Okay ladies, this is the best part. You get to relax. So we're going to get our shower caps, let this hair mask sit for an hour, and let it do its job. We should be closer to friends. Now I am adding my leave-in conditioner. I love this product so much because I think I mentioned before that my hair is really dry. It tends to dry out fast. So this holds in the moisture like no other. We should be closer to friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. Now I am adding my defining gel and oil, and I am going to begin twisting. There's no skill to twisting. You're just twisting down, and I don't typically twist all the way to the end. Once I get to the ends, I just like finger curl it a little bit. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer to friends. Okay, so I did this around 5 p.m. and I didn't take it down to 11 a.m. the next day, but you should still get the same results. And I'm just gonna zoom in on this definition. Yes, yes, yes. And it's a little bent up because I sleep well, and I just sleep well, y'all. So now it's all over the place, but we're gonna fix that. Oh, and one more thing, like, I need to learn to be gentle with my hair. I see a lot of women taking down their twists so lightly and so gentle and so delicately. Yeah. Not me. Also, hey Carter. Also, I did a lot of manipulating my hair because it's real out here. You just don't wake up with a good wash and go. Not with this length, not with this texture, at least this is my story. So you'll see that a lot, and I'm just gonna throw that out there now so I don't have to keep talking. And I redefined a lot of my curls with my curling custard that I mentioned in a past video when I first did a natural video. So if you want to take a look and go back and look at that product, you can, and I'm gonna be quiet. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
I'm a little scared because I usually pick out my hair too much and then I get a puff.
On my agenda, request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up.
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Like, I don't know how to feel. I think it's cute, you know, but it's not like something I would do on a regular. Like, I do wear my natural hair, but I usually have it in a puff. It's me, but it's like I'm kind of like perpetrating my length far as when it's in its natural state. So it's like, yeah, I'm wearing my real hair, but you don't know how long it is, whatever. But I think it's cute. If I was to wear this like every day, you know, more often, probably not every day, I would get accustomed to it. Or like if I had no other choice, like somebody was like, hey, I'm giving you $50 billion if you wear this every day. What? No, it's done. It's done. How you want it? You want it to the side? You want it up? Like, what you want to do? But to do it on my own, I don't know yet. I think I look cute with it. It's all about confidence. And I want to, let's see if I can maneuver it a little bit.
Engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
I ain't gonna show y'all the back. I didn't have even seen the back yet, so we gonna see this together.
What are you doing?
But yeah, I can't stop touching it, y'all, cause I'm gonna try to, you know, get used to it. Oh my god. Oh wow. This is something very different for me. Ooh, but them curls though. Let's get into them curls, cause I'm talking about the length, the curls, baby. And this one gives me so much hope. Okay, because I have like really cute curls. So I'm like, when it gets to where I want it, I'm not gonna know how to act. Let's just say that. Okay, but you know, love your curls wherever you are, whatever the case may be. But you guys, I am about to go. I hope you all got everything you needed out this video. I got some more confidence, baby. Hair products will be in the description box. What else? If you all want to see more videos of me with my natural hair, let me know, because I had this whole weekend off, so I was able to, you know, really play with my hair, keep my twists in as long as I needed them to be in, because I really wanted to go for tomorrow, but I needed to get this video out the way because it already takes me forever to have time to record and upload. So yeah, blah blah blah, I'm doing a lot of talking. Till next time, bye you guys.